YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new mini album page. This is the last page we did with our little flip here, and then it opens like that, and then like that. Alright, let's flip her over. Let's get this side done. What you're going to need is a sheet that's 8.5 by 5 13/16. Then a sheet that is 5 1/8 by 5 3/4. On the first one, you're going to score at 1/2 inch, and then at 6.5 inch. And then on the second one, you're just going to score at 1/2 inch. Okay. Alright, let's get some tape on here and get it put together. This is double-sided tape. It is made by Clumsy. There you go. I bought mine on eBay. I think I got 5 rolls for $4 or $5, something like that. Alright. I've got my paper ready, but I want to go ahead and put this down first. So, let's do that. We're going to put this piece down first, which is our top piece. We're going to use a little bit of glue. This is going to go all the way to the edge of your base page. Then we have our inner flip. This is the inside small flip. And you want to be careful on this side because you're working with this score line here. You want to stay about 1/8 of an inch away from the score line, and then place your paper down. Alright, now I want to work with our magnets. Let's get some magnets going here. Put your glue away. I need a magnet for this small piece here, so we'll put 2 there. Oh, these 2 are really stuck together. There we go. We'll use those in a minute. Place that down, and that's perfect. Close that up. And we're going to need one for this side. Let me see what I can do here. Maybe I only need one. Let's see how that works. Yes, that's perfect. And then this one you don't need one, because this will hold it down. Awesome. Alright, we're done with our magnets. Let's get our paper on. I have these little ones here. I'm going to put a journal spot on the front. There we go. And I have a little yellow one with stripes, and they can journal on it if they want, or just use it to put small photos. That's nice. Then I need number 3, because I mark mine when I have multiple sheets like this. I mark them like 1 through 10 or whatnot. And it just helps keep me organized. Yes, I see what I did there. I put it upside down. Let's see if I can get it up. Ah. You got to pay attention to those directional papers. Otherwise, you'll end up doing what I'm doing right now. What, did I get lucky or what? I got lucky. Let's see. I need a piece of tape. Try not to do it again. There we go. There. Put that back. Alright. Try putting this down the right way. I used repositionable tape, but it's not always going to loosen up for you like that. Awesome. Phew. Yay. So let's move on to the next one. Number 4. Let's see. Number 4 should be this one. And it is. This is directional as well. This time I'm paying more attention. There we go. Then I have number 1 on our small flip. This one. Like so. Oh, that looks good. Opens up to this number 2, which is this butterfly. This one is directional. Let's make sure we are in the right direction. So, and then we have our base paper. Just make sure you stay away from those score lines. Otherwise you won't be able to shut your pages. Nice. That turns there and there. Yay. We fixed that page really quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great one. Bye.